Welcome to Tello's World Recipes. Today, we're going to make Italian sausage with peppers and onions. This is a classic, and for Italians, this hoagie is the same like for a New York or a hot dog. It's delicious, it's very simple, so let's get cooking.
The ingredients we're going to need is 1 pound of Italian sausage, 1 onion sliced, 4 bell peppers sliced, 3 garlic cloves minced, 3 to 4 fresh basil leaves, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and some sausage buns or hoagie bread. The first thing we're going to do is add oil to a skillet and start warming it up. Once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to start cooking our sausages. We're going to add all our sausages to the skillet, and we're just going to brown them from both sides. We're not going to cook them all the way through. They're going to finish cooking with all the peppers and onions. Right now we just want to get them nice and brown. Once we get them brown on one side, we're going to flip them around. After a few minutes, and we have them brown on both ends, we're going to remove them and set them to the side. You can see the sausages are not cooked all the way through, and that is fine. Start smelling real good. We're going to add a little bit more of olive oil. And we're going to add our onions. We want to cook our onions until they're nice, soft, and translucent. It's going to take a few minutes. Once our onions are ready, we're going to add our bell peppers. I chose to use different colors, but you can use the bell pepper that you like. So we're going to start cooking our bell peppers, and we want them to get nice and soft as well. We're going to add our garlic. And we're going to add some salt and pepper. Then we're going to add our oregano. And we're going to mix everything real well. Once our peppers are soft, what we're going to start doing is making some wells, and we're going to put our sausages back in. We're going to put all our sausages back in, and we're going to try to cover them with all the peppers and onions. I can tell you it's looking real good. We're going to add the basil. You can chop it small or just rip it apart. I like it rustic. We're going to mix a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and cover it. We're going to let it cook for about 10 minutes at medium-low heat. While we wait for our sausage and peppers, I'm going to put some hoagies in the oven just to toast them.
While our Italian sausage and peppers finish cooking, it's a really good time for you to subscribe to our channel. That way you'll know when new videos come out. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a like at the end. That helps us a lot. So now, back to cooking.
Our hoagies are nice and toasted. Oh, and our sausages and peppers smell so good right now. We're just going to stir up a little bit, and we're ready to prepare our sandwiches. We're going to take one of the hoagie buns. We're going to take one of the Italian sausages, put it in, and cover it with bell peppers. This is so good, and this is the classic way, but you can also add some provolone cheese if you want.
Our sausage, peppers, and onions are ready. I made a hoagie, so let's see how this came out. This is just a perfect combination. Traditional, delicious. You can do it in a hoagie. You can cut the sausages and just eat them like that. But it is a great recipe. You should try it.